Okay, now we're working with the properties of exponents called the power rule. When raising a power, remember this thing right here is called the power. When you raise it to a power, meaning there's an exponent outside of the parentheses of another power, that's called raising a power to a power. You multiply the exponents. So in the example we have here, we have 2 to the 4th raised to that power. You're going to rewrite that as, well, I think I already did. Yeah, 2 to the 4th times 3. Then you're going to simplify that to 2 to the 12th. And then you're going to simplify that further to 4,096. So when we have variables, everything inside the parentheses is raised. So that 4 is 4 to the 1st. So you're going to rewrite that. Well, okay, I did that. 4 to the 1st. That's it. You don't have to rewrite that if you just understand, like if you're doing this on your paper, for me, this step, you don't necessarily have to rewrite. You just need to understand. I just did that to show you that you have to look at that as 4 to the 1st, because when students are simplifying these expressions, they just ignore numbers, integers. So then you apply the property. When you raise a power to a power, you multiply. So that becomes 4 to the 1 times 3, and this becomes k to the 4 times 3. And then that's 4 to the 3rd times k to the 12th, but it can be simplified further because you can find out what 4 to the 3rd is. So you rewrite it as 64 k to the 12th. Okay, that's it for the power rule.